Okay, Mr. Magosara, your first question is what is one significant experience that has shaped your life?
Um, One of the significant experience that has shaped my life is when I was abandoned by my father when I was in the womb with my mother. And that instant shaped my life. It shaped me how to be resilient and independent all the time. What?
Okay, so the next question is how did this experience affect you?
Um, it really affects me since when I was growing until now. I don't have or I don't feel the love of the father. So I was jealous, no? Sometimes when I saw or see other kids, no, with their father, like for example enjoying their kanang like for example magdula-dula ni walay kuan. So kadto ang bata pigid ko, I literally ask myself that kanang what is wrong with me nga nung wala ko niya gi-accept o kanaang kuan kanang unsa gid ang kanaang tinuod nga hitabo. Siguro when we met or when we meet someday, maybe kanang the questions I will ask is nganong gibiyaan mi niya. What could be the possible reason or kanang hadlok ba siya sa iyang responsibility that time. Yes, that's it.
Okay, so the next question is how have your family and community influenced who you are today?
um Despite of absence akong father, um my mother the other family members, the community members really shaped my life because my mother sacrificed, my mother worked hard for me to be able to continue my studies and have a better future. Then my community members, especially I am surrounded by neighbors, friends, teachers that encourage me and encourage me all the time that kana suportahan ko nila kong encourage that padayon, and they taught me that family does not only about blood related but only about those people who really choose you, stays beside you and support you anywhere and all the time. Yes, that's it.
Okay, so the next question is what social issue or challenge have you observed in your community?
What social issue or challenge I have encountered
Yes.
in my community? Basically, when we're going to say, kanang problema gyud that I really faced or my family faced is ang poverty. Since my mother is not really, no, strong or very healthy that she could, work and all the time or
Provide.
trabaho o mag-provide og needs because ako mother man good is ang kuan siya she had surgery, no, operahan siya sa tiyan. So it is really dangerous for her, no, kay syempre pag magtrabaho kag mga bugat or something nga hagok kay ka, it might cause kuan ang delikado nga ingon pa nila mabugat daw. So mao to, it really the poverty, no, nga we really face that um big problem ang poverty, no, kay scarcity, poverty, then ang kuan my mother the treatment bitaw sa akong mother sa amo ang family is kuan ang it change, no, the way they see us nga ang kuan it really change kay ang maybe giingon nila ang murag wala na nila gi-accept because of what happened to my mother, kay my mother was
Abandoned.
abused. My mother was abused, that is why I am here now. So yeah, basically they didn't accept my mother kuan despite of what happened sumoto. Yes.
Okay, so the next question is, what important lesson have you learned from your experiences?
The important lessons maybe it taught me how to be resilient, how to be kanang independent with kanang with yourself and to your mother also. And then it taught me that kanang i-appreciate na ako ang those people who choose beside me, who support me, and of course kanaang ma-appreciate na ako ang kanaang even mga simple efforts na ginaput nila sa ako. I really appreciate those things no kay kanaang giving nga I don't have a father, I did not experience the love of the father. So maybe nag-crave ko og kanaang ugma sa kuan kanaang papa. But yeah, it really taught me nga kanaang i-appreciate tong mga people that surrounded me nga makasupport sa ako. They love me, sacrificing. They taught me how to be resilient and accept myself nga kanaang despite of katuang na-abuse akong mama, then moto ang bunga ako. So yeah, they taught me to accept myself fully. And siguro when the time nga kanaang kuan ko nga the right time siguro mapasaylo na ko to ang akong papa tay ingon pa nila nga ang Ginoo gay makapasaylo ta pagka.
So the last question is, what would you like others to understand about your story?
Oh my god, that's a broad difficult question. Sa to kanang unsa akong gusto
What
nga
would you like others to understand about your story?
siguro kana kuan sa akong kaugalingon ron nga kanaang maybe I want them to understand nga kanaang throughout sa amo ang experience ni mama no kay I am still kanaang kuan nagpadayon sa kinabuhi, continuing my life with my mother, tapos kanaang sa pangan kanaang being resilient and strong. So na siya nga gusto na ko nga kanang ilahang makuan ba, ilahang ma understand nga kanang even though there's a lot of challenges you have faced, no, you still have to continue your life um in order for you to survive. And of course no nga dili lang ka may selfish na kanang magkuan na ka nga, you should have to think nga sa imong future, not just for you, and napod kay kanang mindset ba nga kanang dapat maningkamot ko so that I could pay my mother back, di ba? Her sacrifices, time, efforts, and everything nga gibuhat niya so that I could continue my study and provide my kanaang needs and to have a bit better future. So yes, I still have to continue my life and strive. O ginaang one reason nga nung naningkamot ko ron.
Yeah,
So that's it.
that's all. Thank you for listening, ma'am. God bless po.
Ay, dali na. Gusto na ako.
Okay.
Ano na, di ginto ko na, di ginto ka videoan.
So, Mr. Glenn. Tuwa na.
Sige, seryoso na.
Sige, sige.
Sige na ba?
Kasama pa tayo. Sige na, diba? Sige, sige, take two. Okay, Mr. Glenn. Mr. Glenn or Mr. Magusara?
Mr. Magusara.
Ah.
Ay, Mr. Alagi, Mr. Magusara.
Okay. Mr. Magusara. Ay, take 3. Sige na, dive in naman mo ilang na baka.
Ay, no! Nakikita mo na. Sorry, guys.
Take 4. Sige.